Good day and welcome to another amazing part of our class. Today we'll be designing a roll-up banner, and the class committees will be very interesting. So we already have a template. I'll just paste my template here. This is what we are working on today. Okay, so since we already know the size we want, just 4 by 9.4, that's what we are using. Using 4 by 9.4. So this is where you change your size and press enter. Okay, so first thing we need to do this out. So to make our work easier today, let's just pick from here, cut this out and complete the whole box. Yeah. So do the same thing for this part also. For this part, then take this up and up. Yeah. So let's bring both of them in for now. Let's work on both of them. Okay, so for this part, click it and select your box, then press intersect and delete this outer one. Do the same thing for this, select, intersect and delete it. Let's pick our color. Pick your color. Take this down. This one with the color, this one we want to give the color, then this is having this color. Okay, so remove the outline from it, and also doing the same thing for this part. So just take this down a little bit, then move this up, it down here with another color also for it to differentiate what you are doing. Then duplicate this and give it your blue color. We have it here already. Okay, so next thing we need to do now is start writing our word. Okay, so for us to start writing our words now, just come to this place, your A, then write promotional message. Yeah, bring this down by pressing enter and press Ctrl E to centralize it. Then here, using hexaboard, centralize it by pressing shift and your word and your box together. So you're giving it color white, and let's create a very small logo. So just use a polygon tool, reduce this to 3 and bring this here. Then give it an outline of 2, right click, then there's a word under it which says your logo. So you also can do this, your logo. Yeah, okay, so here's what we have to do here. Take this down a little bit. We are done with that part. Okay, so our own image now. Let's try to find the image. I think I have an image here already, so we are going to use the image for our own. Okay, so let's go to the desktop. I have an image in my own desktop. I'm using this, so I'm just pasting it inside, taking this like this. Okay, okay, so just shift this image up to make it look much more better. Yeah, and they are good to go. Okay, so next thing we need to do now is write our words under it. So we are going to pick this. Let's use this to save our time, then right click on it. Okay, so we are using this color. Okay, so can just reduce this and give it a font size of 16. Reduce it, increase it a little bit. Right, I am a graphic designer. Yeah, okay, so we're doing this now. Select this, take it to the center. You notice one of their word is in blue, so let's do the same thing here. So I like the part you want to put in blue. Yeah. Okay, so let's use our freehand tool to make a line under it. Just take this down a little bit and we are good to go there. You see, we are writing another word now. I wish to be a better designer some days, but for now I will choose to stick with the basics. Yeah. Okay, so reduce your point to 8 points or any point you wish to use, 12 points precisely if you wish. 12 points. Okay, cut this down and do the same thing for this part also. Okay, so we are done with that. Now our 3 circles, click on the first circle, do it this way, give it the blue color, increase it a little bit, another circle and the last circle. Okay, so this color is it, then remove the outline. I'll give this a white. Yeah. Okay, so there's a word under it. We are going to pick this one. Just write I am better. Rock it. Yeah, we are good to go. So just break it. The first word, give it blue, and the second one, give it the gray. Okay, so change your font, slide your font to Campton. Your font to Campton and centralize it. Do the same thing for this also. Do the same thing for this. And we are good to go. Now you can select everything together and press Ctrl G to group it. Now to the last part. This is the last part now. So you're going to draw a box just easily, then press Ctrl Q and double click on it. So come here, take this up a little bit and select it together. Come here, intersect and press delete on your keyboard. Okay, so select this and give it a color, move the outline and write whatever word you want to put there. So I will be writing, my own word will be V.S.L concept. That's what I wish to use. Yeah, V.S.L concept, and I'm giving it white color. And we are good to go here. So we are done with our designing. Okay, so just remove the outline and group everything together. Ctrl G to group everything together. Now for you to be able to deliver something like this to your client, you will make it so interesting and very cool. You can show the person on a mock-up. Yeah, so I'll be showing you how to use a mock-up now. So just press Ctrl A, Ctrl E. The mock-up uses a PNG file, so that's what we also will be using. Banner 2, yeah. Export it as a PNG file. Oh, sorry, let me show you that again. This part you change it to PNG. That's your save as type, and give it a name. Roll up banner, and press enter on your keyboard. Now you can now mock it up in your Photoshop. Yeah, these are mock-up ones you're using here. So all you have to do now is just come to this place. I have a mock-up already, I have it opened already. So press file, press place embedded and bring it in. Yeah, roll up banner. Okay, so make it bigger. I'm pressing Alt together and click on enter. So delete this lower one, close it, and you have your mockup ready. Okay, so let's wait for it to save and give us what we want. Now we have our desired output. I really love this. Thanks so much for being a part of the class. I hope you enjoyed this class, and I hope to see you in the next video.